If you are tired of piecing together your affiliate strategy from random blog posts, noisy Facebook groups, or going down the endless YouTube rabbit holes, and if you're tired of overpriced online courses that constantly overpromise but underdeliver, then this is for you. Here's the thing, you probably don't need any more information and you don't need any more tactics. What you need is a room full of people who have already solved the problems you are facing right now. And that's exactly why we have started the Affiliate Mastermind, a private mastermind community designed to help affiliate marketers and media buyers like you grow faster, scale smarter, and surround yourself with people who are running campaigns every day. The Affiliate Mastermind is split into two areas, an academy and the mastermind community, all about helping you get better results faster. Inside the academy, you will get access to training sessions and recordings from past live calls with experienced affiliates who run high volume campaigns across Facebook, YouTube and Google, native ads and email marketing. They break down exactly how they pick offers that convert, structure campaigns that scale, and optimize funnels and landing pages. You will also unlock proven templates, tools and tracking setups that simplify everything from launch to scale. And that's just the foundation. Inside the mastermind community, you get access to our private Slack group, your direct line to 6- and 7-figure affiliates, media buyers, affiliate managers, and people on the same level as you or just a few steps ahead. This is where the real value happens. You can ask for feedback, troubleshoot campaigns, bounce ideas, and get help fast. You will go from chasing shiny objects to having clarity and confidence, knowing exactly what to test next, what traffic sources fit your offer, and what to fix when your performance drops. You stop guessing and start scaling. It's kinda like going to one of these amazing affiliate conferences, you know, those tips that someone casually drops at the bar that end up making you thousands of dollars in extra profits. That's what it feels like. But here, it's every day and all year long. You will also join our weekly live calls, get access to replays, guest training, and have a front row seat to what's working right now across multiple verticals and traffic sources. This isn't for beginners who are still deciding if affiliate marketing is for them or not. This is for affiliates who are already in the game but tired of starting from scratch every time a campaign ends and ready to build something stable, scalable, and sustainable. So whether you are running $100 a day or $100,000 a day, if you're serious about getting better results, then the Affiliate Mastermind is where you need to be. Build your network, grow faster, scale smarter, and surround yourself with people who are actually doing it. Join the mastermind today.